Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today I'm going to talk about such important topic as water potential in living cell. And here's a problem. Initial conditions for the plant cell. A plant cell is found to have a solute potential of minus 0.5 megapascals and pressure potential of 0.3 megapascals. Based on this information, is it cell turgid or not? Short answer is going to be yes, the cell is turgid. Why? Because take a look. Pressure potential is positive number. Then it means that the cell is turgid. And question number 2, briefly explain your answer from the question number 1. Imagine that this is a plant cell, and here we have vacuole, and vacuole primary function would be to hold water, and when it's full, this would create a pressure, and the whole plant cell also would be turgid. But when plant cell would lose water, so here's another scenario. Primary, it's going to happen because vacuole, which holds water, is going to lose water, and pressure here is going to be negative. But because, according to our problem, we see that pressure potential is positive number, that means that our cell is turgid. And the last question, under these initial conditions described in the scenario above, what is the water potential of this cell? To answer this question, we just need to know simple formula psi W, total water potential, equal to psi S, which is solute potential, plus psi P, which is pressure potential. In other words, psi W, which stands for the water potential, would equal to minus 0.5, which is solute potential in megapascals, plus 0.3 megapascals, which is pressure potential, and we are going to get minus 0.2, again megapascals, and this is going to be our answer. So water potential of this cell, which is going to be turgid, is going to be minus 0.2 megapascals. And it's going to be turgid because pressure potential is positive number. And everything you need to know just to memorize this formula, which I call what's up? WSP. Very easy mnemonic technique for you. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.